out here at Eagle Mountain, screwing around before we get to our next spot. Yeah.
Trying to see when it slips?
Yeah. You ain't slipping. Look at all that traction.
Ah.
We also walked on the lake earlier because it's super thick with ice right now. So just a little day exploring, getting the Camry off-road here. If I didn't have a car that had 100 horsepower, I'd be going 130 right here. Like somebody.
As we turned on this road, I was like, I'm already slipping. We can't do this.
Small divots had me slipping.
Yeah, my back end slipped in like 2 feet out.
I just bottomed out so hard right there, and so I pulled over to make sure I'm good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The exhaust is quite hot because I think I bent it. Well, we almost made it to Low Moab, but yikes. Right here. This is a whole rut.
This is a railroad.
Oh, that's good.
Look.
Look, we got people showing us how to do it.
Dude, I'm getting rock chips like left and right.
Are you?
Yeah.
Well, you'll have less stance if you go off-road
I know.
setup.
I'll put my tops on potentially too.
What flags? Y'all talking mad shit about mine.
Dude, after getting all these rock chips, I would consider it.
We're gonna have less.
I went the hardest way and still made it up, and I came down the easy way, but that was fun for sure. This car has been fantastic off the road, honestly. I bottomed out the frame, no check engine light, nothing's loose, everything's fine. Can't complain really. I just went down that. Now I'm gonna go up this one. I'm gonna have Jake video for me up there. I thought you were gonna hit it. Oof. You gonna hit it or not? It's pretty thick, dude.
I don't think I can make it through it.
It's pretty dang thick.
I don't think these things do snow like people are talking, man.
Yeah.
Still on two-wheel?
I don't know. What a shot. Also, it's your bedside storage that's shaking.
I need to hop onto the truck.
So much bigger than a Miata.
Yes, sir.
I can feel like the massive thing.
What am I doing?
Whatever. Hit one.
Dog.
Oh, I should have the light bar on.
You see me go up the whole hill there?
Yeah.
Dale, yeah.
Looks too rocky. These are big rocks, dude. Good thing I got big ass snow tires.
Here, you spinning it?
I'll probably crawl up.
Okay. So we drove on 5 miles of roads like this to get out here. It was a really cool spot. We're gonna check out this little peak right here and then probably go get some lunch. Ah, frick. This is my worst enemy right now. I have 6 inches of ground clearance. It was just a gang of about probably 10 or 12 tacos. Hey, we saw them earlier. 10 or 12 tacos. And we wish we had more clearance. Let's just say that. So now we're gonna head to get some lunch. Parking lot. That is straight up slippery. Alright, that was a fun day. The next video, Abby will actually be out here and I'm going to take her drifting and a lot of exploring, so that's gonna be a cool video.